You know what? I'm gonna give him the business right now. Let's go.
This could be possibly the biggest fish of his life right now.
We come out here for little fish and little fights, bro. We came out here for a battle, bro. Fuck that. What do you guys think? Should we pull the anchor up and drive the boat to kind of help him get some line, or you think we're gonna let him fucking die? Let's let him do it himself.
Dude, teach that thing a fat lesson, bro. Come on. I'm here with you. Guys, comment down below. What do you guys think Extreme Pawn Stars has on the end of his line?
Oh my god. Hey guys, it's me, Roddy, and you're watching Extreme Pawn Stars.
There is a whole look at them, they're just chilling under here. Oh my gosh. Oh my, they're just piled up on each other.
Thing is a straight dragon. That thing is a beast, bro.
No way.
I fought him like a pro. Extreme Pawn Stars in the building, and he's gonna
Monster Mike flexing on these crabs right now. He ain't worried about his face. I ain't worried about nothing.
Let's get him.
Oh! Oh, his mouth. Oh!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Come on, let me help you out, bro.
Guys, this is insane. I'm with Extreme Pawn Stars. I'm with the Iguana Man. We are tearing up the crabs. We got them in the bag. We're gonna eat good.
We're good.
Here's one of the cudas we kept from earlier. Only kept one, that's all we're gonna need. They make good deep drop bait and good shark bait. Since our cuda almost got ate by a fucking shark, we're gonna send some cuda down to get eaten by a shark.
Okay, while he's cutting that up, we're gonna go ahead and rig up this shark rig. All right, so we just finished rigging up the shark rig. Check it out. I've got this huge Penn International bait casting reel with a monster hook on the end of it. That's gonna be the perfect rig and setup to put that giant cuda head and catch that shark.
Yeah, let's do it right now.
All right, Dave just got the head of the cuda right there.
Going after that shark.
Yep, we're going after the shark. There goes the bait.
Nah, he's gonna be coming after us.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
All right, time to send her on her way. Uh-oh. Dang, that
One of those bags had to show up right there.
that did not take long at all.
Go ahead, keep reeling, keep it steady. You're gonna need this. Believe me.
Come on, this side.
Keep it tight, man. Got that rod out of the way?
Tight?
Oh yeah. Holy shit. Alright, you guys, your boy Roddy from Extreme Pawn Stars. And we tight on something big.
You can come on.
Big.
Woo! Oh, you guys definitely got what you came for today.
Bro, this is a... Bro, holy shit, boy.
Get him, bro. Woo! This is what you came for, bro. Hope you're ready.
You know what? I'm gonna give him the business right now. Let's go.
Keep it tight.
Yeah.
Let me back up and then drag this a little. Alright, cool. Oh, wait. I think I'm ready.
Dang.
That's like super tight, boy.
That's a big ass fish. That drag is definitely fucking tight. Alright, reel down now. There you go. Reel down.
Woo! Bro, this shit is big.
This shit is not small at all, dude. we went from a big ass cuda on a little rod to like the biggest shit we got, and it's still taking line.
Woo, he's not happy, man. He is not happy.
Golly.
Wonder what it could be.
Man, let us know if you need a hand with that one, because you got tied on to some big shit. You might have a submarine right there. You hooked up on the U.S. Navy. Woo! Bro, get line when you can, man. Keep it tight. Keep reeling. If he's not taking line, you need to be getting it back. Let me know if you need a hand.
Alright.
Alright guys, it's the Iguana Man with the Extreme Pawn Stars. We are tight on a monster fish right now.
We got tight on the ocean monster.
We might have to pull up the anchor for this one. Nah, just let me know if he tries to wrap around the fucking anchor line.
Gotta teach whatever it is, bro. Teach that thing a fat lesson, bro.
We already know what that is. It ain't a fucking Barracuda
Alright,
head.
I'm gonna tell you off the bat, it's not fighting like a shark. There's not a lot of head shakes or anything.
Oh, you might have a big ass grouper.
Woo! He's
Guys,
coming in, boy.
50-50. He might have a grouper or he might have a tiger shark. Or an orca. We don't know.
An albino whale shark.
That didn't take long at all. That took literally 20 seconds.
Is he coming out?
Yeah, come on.
Get him up. That might be a grouper.
Ooh, we might have a grouper on, guys.
So if you get a fucking big old Goliath, I'm gonna be very proud.
Keep pushing on. Teach that thing a fat lesson,
Keep it
bro.
tight. Keep it tight.
Yeah, he's tight, boy. He's tight.
Dude, teach that thing a fat lesson, bro. Come on. I'm here with you. Guys, comment down below. What do you guys think Extreme Pawn Stars has on the end of his line?
Woo.
This thing is...
Woo, this thing is big, boy.
This could be possibly the biggest fish of his life right now.
Head out there for 5 minutes that day in the hammerhead. And then when we had the hammerhead up next to the boat, there was a second one swimming around. Shit might get really lit right now. Hey, you know what'd be super cool? Whatever the fuck's about to happen, this guy floats up, whatever. Underwater footage.
Oh my God.
That'd be sick too. Little cameraman.
Come on,
Bro, I'm like a producer.
Come on, just gonna put the heat on him.
Hopefully this is the same shark that tried to eat that Cuda.
Nah, this is bigger. This is bigger, boy. Ooh.
Fish so big I had to open me a beer. Woo! Look out, he's going the same way as the anchor line too. Do we got to pull forward and get the anchor line out of the way? Let me know, guys. We got to land it, so whatever you guys think is going to help. You're doing good. All right, that's it. If he's not taking line, you take line. Go ahead, man. Good job. Bring him back. Bring him back.
It's like tug of war out here, boy.
If it does happen to be a grouper and not a shark, you better horse him the fuck up before he gets in his hole, too. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. There you go. You got it. This is lit.
You need help with the pump or not?
This is what you came here for.
Woo! Who we on them, boy?
Here, help him bring it up. It's big. There we go.
All right, reel down. Reel. All right. Okay, reel. Hold on. You got what you came here for. No, hold on, nothing. You got to keep it. Oh, wait. Got him. Get back. Reel. Shit, hold on. Hey, it might have gone in a hole too, man. You gotta fucking work that fish. You can't let him be by the bottom. You gotta hurry him the fuck up. So if you can't do it, pass it off to one of us. We'll help you out.
Alright, jump on it.
All right, we gotta get this fish up.
Jump on it. Can't slight bit fatigue on this fish. Woo! We're gonna tag team his ass though.
Woo! I'm just not sure. Yeah, it's not the bottom. All right, so we can't fight him. It's cool. Yeah, he's good. There you go. Got it. Take your time. What do you guys think? Should we pull the anchor up and drive the boat to kind of help him get some line, or you think we're gonna let him fucking die? Let's let him do it himself, yo.
He's right here.
I don't think it's a Goliath. I think you got yourself a fucking big ass shark, dude. You're gonna get that fucker up. Cause that cable, he ain't biting through that fucking cable.
Fucking ass!
It's gonna be totally worth the effort, bro. We didn't come out here for little fish and little fights, bro. We came out here for a battle, bro. Fuck that. Let's go. Let us know if you need help. If you really want to,
Take over for a second.
Okay, if you really want to, we can put it in the rod holder too.
Yeah, you could put in the rod holder and fight him, buddy.
Crank down on him like that.
There we go. We just need to see some color.
Woo, Super Dave the Flag giving him the business right now.
We got a fucking gas. All this line.
He's coming in.
Yeah, he is. He's shaking. Oh shit. Woo. He's not happy, and this is a lot of drag. It's a lot of drag, dude. This thing is really, golly. I'm pretty sure it's a shark, because he ate a whole fucking barracuda head.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think I gotta stand back more like how you are. I can tell you back more a little bit. I think I'm maybe too close to.
Yeah, whatever's comfortable for you. But you gotta get every inch you can, even if you do little short pumps.
Yeah.
Cause this thing is big, dude.
This thing is
a lot of drag.
It's like a 200-pound fish.
There he goes.
Oh my god.
Whoa! Fighting this fish like a pro. Look at this right here.
This shit is.
Woo!
Yo,
Yeah, buddy.
For a second we were like, should we use the big rod? Yeah, we need every bit of this shit.
You ain't catch,
We need every bit of
you
this
ain't
shit.
catching this on the 2K.
I don't even think you could pull that drag out by hand, and this fucking shark or whatever the fuck was yoking it up. It's a monster.
Woo! You ain't bringing this in on the BG 300, 3000. I guarantee you that.
Oh, hey, don't even talk about that, because it ain't out of the boat yet. And that was a miracle. I don't know how you landed that on the PG, man.
With no,
That was a big bitch.
with no wire.
Let's go. No color yet, man. I'm gonna trim the engine up in case it goes that way.
Yo, we're gonna have to tag team this fish, man. This fish is not no joke. It's not no joke.
Well, he's not in the bottom. He's definitely swimming, but he's a big fish. He's really good.
Woo! Forearms, biceps on fire, boy.
I just want to see some color already. It has to be a shark, because the Goliath, I think, would start to float up already.
Jesus, this thing is a monster.
It's so fucking heavy. And
It is.
So much drag.
It is.
I swear it's
The drag is
hooked
so-
on the bottom, but I'll lock up the line and pull
Yeah.
back, and he's coming up. Eventually, when this thing sees the boat, it's gonna be pissed to take off on us, and we're gonna have to get all this line back again.
For real?
Yeah, this thing's gonna kick our ass.
Rod, you got him?
Alright, hold on.
I mean, she got a good grip on
Oh, yeah,
it.
he's coming up. He's coming up.
Bring him up.
Are you ready?
Grab it
Let
tight.
us know if you need.
Yeah, brace
Help
yourself.
anyway.
Take a step back, Rod. You'll be a lot better. There
Lean
you go.
against the.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
There you go. Just keep it tight.
Whew.
He's not gonna rock us up. Whatever it is, he's not gonna rock us up. We got him away from the bottom. He's not even trying to get in the bottom. I think we got this. We just gotta not over.
Yeah. We got.
Exert the tackle.
Yeah.
Or line,
Yeah, exactly. We just gotta take our
We
time,
got enough
finesse them.
people.
Yeah.
Huge.
Oh yeah, we got enough people
It's
for
a
it.
big bitch.
This is a big mother.
This is it's gonna be hard to top. Whatever the fuck it is, I want to see it so bad. Let's go, bro. I see color.
All right, Raj.
This thing's bigger than all of us.
No way.
Get a shot of this fish, man.
Yeah, we got it. We good. Keep it nice and steady.
I think it's a
There you
shark.
go. You're working them good. You're working them good. You're working them good.
Skinny.
You're working them good.
That's a shark, a million percent.
Yeah?
No grouper long and skinny like that.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what the motherfucker guys are trying to eat your barracuda. God, that motherfucker too. We're teaching them all lessons out here.
Bro, I think he got like his
Free lip piercings for everyone in Key Largo.
Oh my god.
Wow, we don't discriminate.
Say it again.
I said we're teaching this thing a fat lesson right here.
We're gonna have to bring it on the boat. We're gonna have to.
Unreal. This thing got some power, but it ain't stronger than all of us.
Hey, that dude's head was out there for what? 5 minutes?
Less than that, bro. That was like a minute.
Everybody, what you doing out there catching cuda? About to catch some more shit. Let's go. Let's go.
Without a doubt, the biggest fish we've ever caught or hooked up on.
Yeah, it's on the end of this line right here.
These aren't in ponds right here.
Yeah, this ain't no pond fishing, man. This is the ocean.
We got to take it to the biggest pond out there. With the biggest thing.
Just think of fat lesson. Trying to eat our cuda.
Yeah. Oh, I can see him. I see colors.
There you go.
Man. Yeah, keep going.
Oh, he's down there. Just let me know, Raj, whenever you get
You got your
fatigued.
shit out there?
Oh my god.
Let him swim away. You saw what I did with this? Yeah. I even left that shit on like freeze pool. I was like,
Woo! I see you. We see some color. We see some color. Let me know how. Let me talk to you, Raj. Let me know how you doing.
Yeah.
Good, my arms starting to lock up a little bit.
All right.
Switch out.
I'm gonna switch.
Yeah.
Okay.
You already tired from that cooler and shit.
Yeah. Hold my phone right. Hold my phone right. Oh, okay.
Let's go, man.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane right here. Biggest fish.
There's more friends. There's more friends. You see them down there.
Guys,
Wow, bro.
we got a monster on right now.
Oh, we got that underwater camera ready.
Oh my
That
god.
motherfucker's probably down there looking like he's about to eat scuba diving.
It's coming up right now.
You got jaws down there. I think we're gonna need a bigger boat.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Oh my god, imagine if that's something super yummy and not a shark. Snowy grouper or some shit.
That's him right there, right?
Yeah, that's the color, man.
Oh my gosh, you guys are seeing that color right there.
See where my phone gets that shit.
Yeah.
Oh, he's definitely got a friend with him. Look.
What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's massive. That thing is huge, bro.
That's a shark. Get him up here. That's a big fucking
Yay!
He's probably not done yet. That's a big fish. He's probably not done. Alright, if he starts to like try to rub the line on the boat, fucking dip the tip of the rod in the water. Like, don't let him rub it. But he looks like he's doing pretty good. Golly. That motherfucker's as big as you. Oh yeah, get it out there. It's cool.
Bro, he is not happy. Yeah. Please put here. Please put here.
So what do you think? It's a reef
Please
shark?
put there.
Oh no. Oh no.
What are we talking about?
It's hard to tell what kind of shark it is.
Well, honestly, and I don't think it is, but
I'm helping.
it'll be cool to get another hammerhead.
That'd be sick.
Hammerheads are pretty dope.
I'm gonna help pull up. Just help crank down, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, nice.
Hey, don't let him fucking rub on the engine. Don't let him rub on the hull. If he's gonna rub on any of that shit, walk around the boat. Don't let him do any of that shit. Let us know. We'll get the fuck out of the way. Get out of the way and let him go stand in that corner. Yeah. Good. Alright, lean back. Don't let it touch the engine, please. There's so much tension on that line, like anything that touches it is gonna fucking snap that shit. So if it touches the engine, don't let it. If it touches the boat or the engine, it's just gonna peak. Woo! That's all we wanted to do. All right, let me pass it around the engine, and then you go meet me on the other side. All right, that's much drag on that. I'm telling you, that's a fish.
Drag is like 50 pounds drag at least.
Get out of here, bro. You need a seatbelt to fight that fish.
I'll take it. Here, just don't film me. Just film right now. But when you see color.
Hey, landing this thing is gonna be a perfect punctuation. That's pulling, bro.
That's full.
That thing is bare minimum. Bare minimum.
Just imagine 12 footers.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, get out of here. Yeah.
No.
You're not getting that.
I'm hauling.
There you go, Raj.
Oh,
You're working them good. You're working them good. Take your time.
This is big time cheating. Holy shit. This thing is relentless. Golly. Everybody in the boat's tired right now. Had to let Ronnie the rod over there do the work. I can see him. So, he knows the fight so much of it. Oh! Don't do that. Alright, let's go to the back of the boat.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What did we just hook? Oh my god. Bro. Are you serious right now?
You been here?
Yeah.
Bro, are y'all serious? Oh my god. It looks wide, right?
Yeah, it's wide.
Oh my god.
Yeah, whatever is wide, bro.
It's super wide. Oh no, it's a shark. Oh, it's a shark.
He got worse. He got worse.
Oh,
That's a cobia.
Oh,
That is a cobia.
cobia.
Hey, launch a bait to the cobia. Please, launch a bait to the cobia.
With the vertical?
Yeah, no, the fucking filters. Filters. I got you. There's a bunch of them.
Oh my goodness.
That's a giant fucking shark, dude.
Ooh.
The cobias are right here, guys.
Oh.
Come on. Everyone, drop the camera. Tight. Go down on it. Get the rod under there. There you go.
There he
you
is.
go. Oh my. Hey. Hey, we're fighting a 10-foot bull shark right now. It's been about an hour already, and we got a fucking 3-foot cobia off of the fucking thing already. Yeah. I'm gonna call you as soon as we land. Bro, we're landing a 10-foot bull shark. It's been over an hour, and we're not giving up on that fucking shark, bro. And the cobia is fucking beautiful, bro. Super nice. All right, hit your food.
He's under me. He's under me. Wow, look at that. Keep turning. It's gotta be the toughest fight of my life, y'all.
Yeah,
That's
for
sure. Ridiculous,
The
right?
shark's thinking the same thing. So fucking be the winner. Be the winner, bro. Handle that. You got this shit. Hey, that's as easy as that shark's gonna get. So you gotta fucking manhandle. This is it. He's not gonna give up. That's as easy as it's gonna get. So you gotta fucking overpower the fuck out of that thing. We're in 19 feet of water. We dragged that thing 120 feet up from the depths. You fucking stole his cobia, buddy. You're gonna eat him. It's time to lock it down. There he goes. Oh, there's his cobia, buddy. Look, right there.
Oh, I see it.
You try to get him if you want. No, don't twist the rod like that. Because they'll break the line. Alright, I'm going to help you out. Reel in, alright? Reel. Oh, shit. There he is. He's big as fuck. There you go. You got him.
Got him?
Yeah. Hey, look out. He's coming right towards you. Don't fall in right now.
Wow, look at him. Oh, he's right there.
Here. Look, there's the cobia. You still got a cobia. Alright, I got the wire leader. Alright, get out of the way, guys. I'm gonna walk him down the side of the boat. Okay. We're gonna pull him out. Okay. So you can see his teeth.
Oh my god.
God.
You seeing this right here? Absolutely behemoth, guys. Full hour fight right here. Oh, it's on. Oh my god.
God.
You seeing this right here? Absolutely behemoth, guys. Full hour fight right here. Oh, it's on.
head shaking the boat. Oh my god. Absolutely crazy. Oh my god, it's crazy.
Gosh. Here.
Huh. Oh my god.
Oh, we got. Alright, we got him.
Oh, we got him. We got him.
We
We
leaving the
got
fuck out that shark.
We got him.
Do you got that or your
Yeah.
memory was full?
No, we got it. We got him, bro. Jeez, yo.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Yo, that
was-
took way
That
too
was
long.
that was crazy.
And you're the one that made that shit count, bro. God, please. All right, let's head back before it starts to get too dark.
Alright. Damn, bro.
So,
The
I'm
size
so
of
proud
that.
you guys. So proud you guys, bro.
Guys, we got him, guys. We got the monster.
Hey, Steve Porn Stars does not fuck around, bro. You guys are welcome on this boat anytime, bro.
We got him, yo.
We got him, y'all. After that long, about hour and a half battle, it's finally over. We got the W.
We got a cobia. We got a 10-foot bull shark. I mean, it doesn't really get better than that, man.
Golly,
We got Super
man.
David Flair. We got Iguana Man in the building.
Yo, I'm out here all the time, and you guys impress the fuck out of me, bro. You guys don't play, bro. Yo, the fish jumping in the boat today, man. I need another beer after that, man. Right, yeah, it's crazy.
We were just talking about catching the cobia, and look what happened. We talked into existence.
I think we're the first.
We got a lucky camera guy hooked up on the code.
First person ever to teach that big ass shark a fat lesson. I guarantee you, you're the only one to get his ass to the boat, bro. Motherfucker came after our Barracuda, sent his head down, and let's go. You know what I mean? The rest of
The
his
size of that shark, bruh. The size of that shark.
That was.
Bruh, the strength of that fucking shark.
Unreal, bro.
Oh my god, that's the biggest fish we ever caught in our whole life right there. That's a fucking 10-foot bull shark all day.
Hey,
Damn, man, it was a huge success with the Iguana Man. Still came.
that's how strong that shark was. The shark rig broke.
Damn.
The shark rig broke, bro. It's not that we pulled the hook out. It's not
Yeah.
that, bro. That's a big bitch, bro. Golly. There you go. I've had that thing for years.
Damn.